morning. Today is a little bit of a different story because we are not gonna do anything with the cars. But from some time, from like a year or so, we are starting to have a bit of this issue with space here because it's quite a lot of space where we live. But there's more and more cars, and obviously there's less and less space like here on the backyard of our house. So today is a day when we are doing a little bit of expansion, and we're gonna make some space for more cars to come. So the plan is to sort out this space. Remember, we built a shed before the winter for Kevin. We used it like 4 times, but it still stands, which means that was very good engineering. But yeah, since then the shed was usually used to store tires because we have quite a lot of tires. But now I like to destroy it. I like to get rid of all the tires. I mean, by getting rid, I mean pushing them more back, and make 2 extra spaces right here for the cars. Now we have 9 AM and at 11, which is in 2 hours, we're gonna get a little like a koparka thing, and yeah, gonna start digging, and then we're gonna order like little rocks, the ones that are here, put them all around, like here for 1 car, for 2nd car, and for another car back there. So let's see how it goes. Firstly though, I need to start the Miata and put it somewhere else. But to do it, I need to change the tire because this tire is flat, and put the battery on because the battery died. Let's go.
Nice koperka. Very nice. 3 days of work, more than 5 seconds.
Okay, so situation at the moment, we got rid of everything from the shed and the shed itself, and we kinda organize all the garbage in piles. So this is the pile of metal. This is Marek. He is a proper builder now, if you can see. There's the garbage. There's like wooden garbage, there's some wheels here, and then there's empty space here where we used to have our shed. So at the moment, as you can see, the floor is not even at all, and then here's the garden. So the plan is to make the floor even all the way from here, here, up to like here, so we can put 3 extra cars here, one here next to the garage, and 1 there. So now we're gonna take our little kopareczka. We're gonna start digging and making the floor even. Excited to drive something fast for now?
Finally,
Yeah.
something fast.
Morning!
So, it actually turned out to be way nicer and enjoyable than we thought, and way faster as well. It only took us 2 days to finish the whole job, and now we have all this space for a few extra cars that we want to get. Hopefully there will be enough width for one of the cars that I might want to get. Just saying. Yeah, but it should be enough for about, I think, 3 more cars. Maybe we can squeeze 4.
We can also put Lavetka here, put Kevin here, maybe in the winter, make a little
Shed.
Not shed, fam. Make like a roof or something. Okay, Dogo's getting mad, and also we need to get ready for event that is tomorrow.
Let's go, Peshkos. Peshkos! Peshkos! You look so cute!
And I wanted to have this space nice, yeah? But with this big pile of ground now and big pile of tires, I think it's not over yet. We need one more day of Koparka, I think, but
I think there's a situation coming here. In ramp!